I was so excited, and I had
At
it
work?
sitting on the calendar. No. Because that would have been funny, because
Here he is, on
my
top of
boss
the
and
refrigerator
the
there.
guards, my friend
And
Aaron,
there,
and
you
they
can
all,
kind of
"I
see
want
the
it, I want
design
it."
of it
Yeah,
goes around.
yeah,
It
yeah.
looks like a maze on his side.
I just throw that
And
in.
his sister was real light colored, you couldn't see the design as much. You know what
What's
with her.
gonna happen?
But I liked his
Tell us
coloring.
why.
And he was a little more skittish, but I took him.
You have different characters.
Oh my God.
Oh, really?
My favorite is
Chili cheese fries.
Kind of upset.
Chili cheese fries.
I can't imagine how it was.
She came in this black chick came in.
Big fluffy cat?
That I worked with. It's all black.
Jim-
Black is called black.
Oh, because Jim Calvarese's cat was a big tax dog.
Yeah, vicious. And she's a little bit concerned.
All right.